Hey Al, it's Tony at Prime Mercedes, here to give you a quick look at the 2014 E350 that you're interested in. So we're going to take you around. This is in steel gray, very pretty. Car's in terrific condition, as all of our cars are. It is a certified pre-owned car. You're going to get 1 year unlimited mileage of warranty and the ability to add 2 years of unlimited mileage warranty when you purchase the vehicle. Taking a quick look, very pretty interior. This particular car has a heated steering wheel. You have full multimedia, navigation, voice command on your nav, your radio, and your telephone for Bluetooth. Car does have a sunroof, huge back seat area, and those seats will split. You can split those in half. We'll put them both down. Big trunk area. And a really nice ride. This is really where the luxury ride begins with our product, and you'll love the ride. So speaking of ride, let's take it for a ride and see what you think. All right, so if you're not familiar with the interior of a Mercedes, basically off to the left here on the door are your seat adjustments, head, back, bottom. You have your mirrors also below that. As I mentioned, this car does have a heated steering wheel, also has heated seats. You got a nice big screen for your navigation. This has voice command, as I mentioned earlier, on your nav, your radio, and your telephone. So really nice setup. Let's take it for a ride. This does have the Harman Kardon sound system, which is very high end. And only 43,000 miles on the car, so plenty of life ahead for this car. And a very smooth ride. All right, Al, so there it is. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll be in touch with you very soon. Okay? Thanks very much.